Sentence. What did your teacher teach in class today? Sentences. Can you make a sentence using the word ball? Buy a ball, Renu. No, that sentence is not correct. The correct sentence is Renu buys a ball. Why? Words grouped together can be called a sentence only when they are placed in the right order, present a complete thought and make complete sense. Definition. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence expresses a complete thought and is the basic unit of any language. Sentences in English make statements, ask questions, express requests or commands, suggestions and exclamations. Let us look at some rules of sentence formation in English. The first letter of any new sentence is always capital. She went to the doctor. The doctor was not in his clinic. There is always a punctuation mark at the end of a sentence. I'm going to school. A sentence has at least a subject and a verb. Rashmi laughed. Subject Rashmi, verb laughed. Subject plus verb plus object is the basic word order in a sentence. He hit the ball. He subject, hit verb, object the ball. A sentence must present complete thought that can stand alone. She called the police. There must be subject-verb agreement in a sentence. Those children go to school by bus. Plural subject children takes the plural verb go. What is a sentence? Look at the animals in the zoo and tell me something about them. I like rabbits. The correct sentence is I like rabbits. Monkeys bananas. That is not a complete sentence, since it does not make sense. A sentence must contain a verb. The correct sentence is monkeys are eating bananas. Definition. A group of words presenting a complete idea which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Let us look at some sentence structures. If a sentence has one statement presenting one complete idea, it is a simple sentence. The day was very hot. If a sentence has more than one statement presenting more than one thought and both the statements can stand alone as separate sentences, then the sentence is compound sentence. The day was very hot, so we cancelled our picnic. Here, the day was very hot and we cancelled our picnic can both stand alone, separately, as independent sentences, each one expressing a complete thought, joined together by conjunction so. If a sentence contains two statements, each presenting a different thought, but only one of these statements can stand alone separately as an independent sentence, it is called a complex sentence. If it is a hot day, we will cancel our picnic. Here, we will cancel our picnic presents a complete thought and can stand alone as a separate sentence. But the second thought, if it is a hot day, cannot stand separately as an independent sentence. Kinds of sentences. What a beautiful picture! Which one do you mean? The one in which you can see the sunset. I can't recall. Please show me the photograph. I will show you later. Do it now. In the dialogues, the girls have used different kinds of sentences to state something, make a request, issue a command, or make an exclamation of joy. The following sentences are examples of different kinds of sentences. Exclamatory, what a beautiful picture. Interrogative, which one do you mean? Declarative, the one in which you can see the sunset. I can't recall. I will show you later. Imperative. Please show me the photograph. Do it now. Definition. A sentence that asserts something or makes a statement is called a declarative sentence. A sentence that issues a command or makes a request is called an imperative sentence. A sentence that puts up a question is called an interrogative sentence. A sentence that gives expression to a strong emotion or feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Let us look at few sentences. The weather is lovely. How hot the day is. Please pass me the salt. Go out. Where are you going for shopping? The first sentence makes a statement and is declarative sentence. The next sentence makes an exclamation and is an exclamatory sentence. The third sentence makes a request and is an imperative sentence. The fourth sentence is also imperative as it issues an order. The last sentence is interrogative as it asks a question. Here are few more examples of 4 kinds of sentences. Declarative. Ritu is an intelligent girl. Imperative. Stop talking. Interrogative. How will you go home? Exclamatory. What a wonderful surprise.